If your restaurant kitchen peninsula needs to be supported by the highest quality, most stable table legs on the market, then look to the Kitchen Peninsula Island table leg with base plate. With its thick 4 3/4 inch diameter leg sitting firmly atop the solid base, you'll appreciate the strength and stability this table or island surface provides to complete your most challenging kitchen work. Offered in a variety of finishes to match your restaurant decor and color choices, the Kitchen Peninsula Island table leg with base plate stands 27 1/4 inches tall, making it the perfect height for kitchen work. But if you prefer a little extra height, this leg offers a telescoping adjustment addition of 8.5 inches. The 300-pound per leg weight capacity will accommodate everything on a busy restaurant kitchen's menu.